Is time tracking feeling more like a chore than a tool in your workplace? Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel, where today, we're cracking the code to ensure your team actually uses Clockify, maximizing both productivity and accurate project costing first. Champion Clockify from the top down. Leadership demonstrating consistent use sets a strong example. Make sure managers are not only using Clockify themselves, but also actively referencing the track time in project discussions and performance reviews. Next, simplify the onboarding process. Create a concise training video or a step-by-step guide tailored to your company's specific Clockify setup. Highlight the benefits for employees, such as easier task management and more accurate project feedback. Don't overwhelm new users with every feature. Focus on the essentials they'll use daily. Now, let's talk expectations. Clearly communicate why time tracking is important for the company, such as accurate project costing, efficient resource allocation, and informed decision-making. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for time tracking compliance. For example, aim for 95% of employees tracking at least 80% of their workday within the first month. Provide regular feedback and positive reinforcement. Acknowledge and reward employees who consistently and accurately track their time. Address any challenges or concerns promptly and offer ongoing support and training as needed. And finally, review your Clockify setup periodically and adapt it to your evolving business needs. By implementing these strategies, you'll transform Clockify from a dreaded task to a valuable tool, ultimately boosting productivity and ensuring accurate project costing. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips.